Welcome to Kiddo Learning Club. Watch, read, listen, learn.
Long ago, there was a powerful demon named Mahishasura. He was part human and part buffalo, and he had received a boon from Lord Brahma that no man or god could kill him. Empowered by this boon, Mahishasura became arrogant and started terrorizing both heaven and earth. He drove the gods out of heaven and declared himself the ruler of the universe. The gods were deeply troubled and sought help from Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Realizing that only a woman could defeat Mahishasura, the gods combined their powers and created an extraordinary goddess, Goddess Durga. Durga was born to defeat Mahishasura and restore balance to the world. Each god gifted her powerful weapons, and she was ready for battle. Riding on her fierce lion, Goddess Durga confronted Mahishasura on the battlefield. Mahishasura, with his immense army, fought fiercely against her. The battle between Durga and Mahishasura was intense and lasted for many days. Mahishasura, using his magic, changed forms several times, sometimes turning into a buffalo, other times into different beasts. But Goddess Durga, with her unmatched courage and strength, fought him tirelessly. Finally, in an epic moment of the battle, Goddess Durga struck Mahishasura down with her trident and killed him, bringing an end to his reign of terror. With Mahishasura's death, good triumphed over evil, and peace was restored to the universe. From that day, she was known as Mahishasura Mardini, the slayer of Mahishasura. The victory of Goddess Durga over Mahishasura is celebrated as Dussehra, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. The festival reminds us of the power of righteousness and courage. It teaches us that no matter how powerful evil may seem, it will always be defeated by truth, bravery, and goodness. This story of Mahishasura Mardini inspires us to follow the path of justice and to stand against wrong, no matter how challenging the battle may be.